Good day, I'm Carrie Ann Smith and this is your Jis News for Wednesday, March 26. Jamaica's health and wellness tourism offering is taking off in a big way. Just weeks after announcing Jamaica's first medical tourism facility, a $20 million investment for Montego Bay, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has opened the rebranded Eden Gardens Resort and Spa in Kingston. Mrs. Simpson Miller says this $550 million Jamaican dollar investment by Professor Henry Lowe at 39 Lady Musgrave Road represents the triumph of Jamaican entrepreneurship and resourcefulness. It will assist the country in tapping into the $40 billion global medical tourism market and the global market for wellness spas, estimated at $6 billion.
We have a well-developed medical infrastructure, world-renowned cadre of nurses and doctors, and have demonstrated expertise in medicine. There's no reason why Jamaica cannot attract significant investments and tourist flow in this area.
The facility utilizes green technology and is an innovative and unique concept in the Caribbean. The Prime Minister has called on more Jamaicans to combine scientific research with entrepreneurial application to grow the private sector and create more jobs.
We see the private sector as our partners in development.
Meanwhile, government expects to issue requests for proposals to prospective local and international bidders later this year as it proceeds with the Public-Private Partnership PPP program for the Norman Manley International Airport. Transport Works and Housing Minister Dr. Omar Davies provided that update to Parliament Tuesday as he reported on the PPP program for the Sangster International Airport.
The government regards the SIA Public-Private Partnership as a successful example of engagement of private capital and expertise in managing a public asset to the mutual benefit of the parties involved.
That partnership, he revealed, has resulted in Sangster being added to the Role of Excellence in 2014 for its level of customer service. It represents feedback from hundreds of passengers who participate in the airport's service quality program that's run by the representative industry body of the world's airports, the Airports Council International. Only 21 airports have been awarded the Role of Excellence since it began in 2011, and Sangster is one of only 6 that will receive the honor this year. In the meantime, Dr. Davies says infrastructural upgrading works continue at the airport.
Discussions are well advanced between the Airports Authority and MBJ for a project to extend the runway by 408 meters. This will enable flights from more distant tourism markets to operate safely and conveniently from Sangster International.
And government's commitment to providing quality beach access for residents and visitors continues to materialize with the rehabilitation of BURWOOD Beach in Trelawney. The $22 million project is being funded by the Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF, and should be completed in June. When it's done, BURWOOD Beach will become a sea park with various amenities for visitors. Meanwhile, the TEF is also partnering with the Agriculture and Fisheries Ministry to renovate the historic parish church in Falmouth. TEF is contributing more than $11.5 million to repair the facade, restore the structural and aesthetic functions of the walls, and address termite and insect issues at the site. The renovation project started in December and is expected to end this November. The Westmoreland Parish Council is to receive 2 ambulances and 2 fire trucks valued at $8 million from the government of Japan. The vehicles are being provided through Japan's grant assistance for grassroots and human security project in partnership with the Society for the Promotion of Japanese Diplomacy. The grant contracts for the provisions of the units were signed on Monday at the Japanese Embassy in Kingston, and the vehicles are due in the island within the next few months.
At the present, we have 2 ambulances in the parish of Westmoreland and 2 fire trucks, which is totally inadequate.
In this year of the 50th anniversary of diplomatic relationship between Japan and Jamaica, we are proud to partner with Jamaican government authorities and people to intensify our work towards Jamaican's socio-economic development programs.
And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is calling for more strategic partnerships to help the country earn maximum dollars from its cultural and creative industries. She was addressing the first meeting of the National Cultural and Creative Industries Commission on Tuesday. Mrs. Simpson Miller said Jamaicans were talented people and must find ways to showcase our culture and creativity in the best way possible.
What we need to do is to get it right. And to get it right, there must be a partnership between this area and the government so that we can move things. I look forward to us having the kind of discussion that will lead to us moving this area, that the world will be amazed at what is happening in Jamaica in this area.
The commission was set up to encourage dialogue on policies to move the country's culture forward. It's made up of individuals from the music, fashion, film, small business and other sectors. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Carrie Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.